Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at this smoke alarm. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's by First Alert, and I bought this because my other smoke alarm was really old, and instead of just changing the battery I decided to get a new one. So I picked up this one on Amazon. And this one is going near the washing machine and the drying machine. So I'm going to put it up there. We're going to install it in this video. So it does come with 2 screws and drywall anchors, which I hope I don't have to use. I'm hoping that the old one was roughly the same size, or I can hang it where the old one was. It comes with instructions, which are really important to read. I'm sure it has all kinds of warnings and things, and how to install it, and testing, and all that stuff. And then this is the smoke alarm here. Let's see if we can figure out how to get the battery in the smoke alarm. So there's a little thing here, which I believe perhaps is where the battery is kept. So we can somehow pry this open here. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to show you how to put the battery in. It's a little bit tricky. So you see how it says plus here? This comes with the battery, of course. You want to slide it in like this. Okay, and it's a little bit tricky. There we go. See how it's in? Now it's in. Then you can close it. And then be sure to test it. So now that it's closed, we're going to hold down the button. See it lit up? Okay, so it's definitely working. All right, so it works. It took a little bit of work to figure out how to put that battery in. Let me just show you again. So just going to push this and open it. A little bit hard to open as well. So there's the battery. So the plus is, well, I'll take it out so you can see again. So let's get the battery out. The plus is facing me. Then you want to squeeze it in. It's a little bit hard to get in. I think these are all like this. They're all a little bit finicky, but this is a good brand, First Alert. I've purchased other brands and I haven't had as much success. So that's why I bought this particular one on Amazon. And let's check it. Okay, so the battery must be in correctly. All right, let's go hang it up, see if it works. All right, we have this other piece here. So basically I'm just doing this and just hoping it just stays on. So just like that. So I'm gonna go hang it up and we'll go try it out. All right, so you can see here, I have it hanging on the wall. I'm just using 1 screw to hang it. You should always read the directions and make sure that you're doing it correctly, but this looks okay to me. Let's just test it one more time. You can see it's flashing there. So it definitely works. Yeah, good stuff. I hope it's been helpful. Take care.